Okay, students, open Play Store and type PyDroid 3. Install this app, and after this, type Python repository plugin. Install this, and after completing this, your app will appear like this. And now click on three lines given on left top of screen. Select option PIP from the menu. Here you have some tab. Scroll to the right side. Tab name quick install. Scroll downside. Then install. The option name pandas. Click on install button given here. Installation will be started and completed. After this, click on NumPy install button. After completing process, again go back and install Matplotlib. It's also completed. Then scroll upside and click on Jupyter install button. It is completed. After this, download. You are now ready to use Python in your mobile. Have a good day.